What's going on, guys? DeVito is here. Thanks for tuning in. I actually just got done making a video where I went to go haul and the hauling was broken, so we went to go do like a merc mission, and then for some reason I landed and it got a trespassing bug, and so I got gunned down by security, went to jail. Jail decided to spit me back out for not doing anything wrong, and it actually gave me all my stuff back, which was kind of nice. And so we are back on Everest Harbor, and since all of hauling is bugged, like I had the Zues and I melted the thing just so I could show everybody like kind of a beginner slash mid hauler. I melted it for a Tarus, and I know the constellations are notorious for the hate because they are buggy and they're just an old platform. But truth be told, right now the Tarus is one of the better haulers if you're looking at getting a ship for specifically that. So I went to go do all of that. I've got like 2 hours and not 2 hours, that's exaggerating. I've got like an hour and about 12 gigs worth of video that I just created, and nothing really came of it. So I decided that we're going to do something. I got to have something out tonight, Like, I was like, man, I don't want to leave just not doing anything. So we're going to take this merc mission, and it looks like we're going to go assist a Constellation Aquila that's under attack over ArcCorp. The perps are not identified, so we don't know what we're getting into. It's a 50k job. I actually haven't done these missions yet, so hopefully we don't go die terribly. A matter of fact, in case we do die terribly, let's do this real fast. Not the coffee. We are going to strip down to just a spacesuit. Alright.
Welcome.
What fighter should we use? I have a Scorpius. I've never used a Scorpius, and I don't know if it's actually worth a dang unless you have the co-pilot with the turret. The arrow is good, but if you get hit with the arrow, you die. The 325 is not here. I'm going to claim it, and I don't feel like expediting. We're just going to use tried and true. Oh, no. We are absolutely going to wait for that. And by we, I'm going to wait for that. You guys will get a clip cut. Alright, we're back. Sorry about the wait. Well, I mean, for you guys, there is no wait, but we're going to run with this. This could be a mistake. I've never actually done one of these missions, so if there's multiple, I like the arrow. It's a fun fighter, but it's stock, and so I have 2 ballistic cannons, which is a problem because I run out of ballistics really fast. So hopefully we are about to see what a stock Anvil Arrow can do in terms of fighting capabilities. So here's my concern. This right here. 1,067 bullets. And then I've got 34 repeater on my Panther. So depending on what we're about to fight, it's going to depend on if I'm even a threat. Because as soon as I run out ballistics, I lose half my DPS. And those repeaters are going to cause me to have to do short fire bursts, and then missiles. If I recall, this thing has a few, and I ain't going to lie to y'all. I think they changed missile mechanics because it used to just be like a button click, and I think now you have to like fully switch. So this could be interesting. But okay, so we have, is that a Mantis? Let's get out of that. 222. Oh, we gotta go get this guy. He's shooting at the freaking constellation. Alright. Alright. Missiles are... Is that missile? Nope, that's missile. See if we catch him. It's a good hit. Absolutely gonna run out of ammo. missile lock. We're gonna get it. No, there. We're gonna merge. Let's break the merge. Let's get this guy. Come on.
Target destroyed.
It's gone. Let's get this one. Got 3 more, 2 more. Where's he at? He's 700 meters. I'm right on top of him. This is a little small fire. This shouldn't be an issue. Something is fast, dude. Shredded him there.
Shields hit. Okay.
Sounds like we just got another tally. Nice. Shields are fried. Let's kill this guy. It's trying to stay on me. Let him pull, let him pull, let him pull. Came back up on me. Where's the... Okay, so that's guns. There it goes.
Lock.
It's going way too fast. Should have shot that.
Target
There he goes.
destroyed.
That it?
Okay.
Right. This that. Sorry guys, I'm still trying to figure out the missiles.
Shields hit.
I mean, if he wants to run right into me, though, that one too. He's hurt.
Ballistics low.
Yeah, there's a ballistics problem I knew I was gonna have. Jumps. Looks like he just came back. Never mind. Gotta figure out the flight mechanics for switching.
Target destroyed.
That wasn't too bad. A lot easier than I thought it was going to be, actually. It's a pretty quick 55k.
Okay.
For the arrow, if you are looking for a good fighter, Gladius and arrow, you can't go wrong. I think the biggest issue with the arrow is just in anything is the ballistics. Like, the ballistics are pretty alright, so to speak. The problem is you just, what was that? That was like 3 enemies, and let's be real, like all 3 of those enemies were just V-lining it towards me, so it's not quote unquote hard. And so if you actually got somebody that knew what they're doing, a player, or you had a bigger ship that you had to contend with, like, you need lasers just in the current state, because you're going to run out of ammo, and it's really annoying. Or you just split your DPS, which I would highly probably not recommend, and just, shoot your 2 laser cannons and then only use your ballistics whenever the shields pop. Totally doable, I guess, in terms of you can actually physically do it. But again, you're cutting your DPS in half, so probably not the best. If it was me, I would just say I'm going to wait, or not wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy some. Why is my thing doing this? I'd just say I'm going to buy some attritions, which are the better laser repeaters, and call it a day. But anyways, guys. I'm going to land this thing. I'm not going to make you all wait. Have a good night.